Hello, today I will show you how to factory reset your Xiaomi Huami Amazfit Bip watch. So first unlock the watch by pressing this key. Now swipe to the left and keep swiping until you see the settings menu. So here it is. Now tap the settings menu and swipe up to change which options you see. And as you can see down here, we have a factory reset option. Tap it. You will be asked if you want to reset all data on the watch. This will unpair the device and bring it back to the factory default settings. Tap OK if you are sure, and now long press the watch to reset. So press this button and hold it. And just like that, the watch has been reset. Now once you hold this button once again, the device will want to pair with a new phone, and just like that, it has been reset. So I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.